Have you ever fallen for this? I am sure most of us. The decoy effect is a technique to get you to spend more. Let's find out how it works.
Fancy a steak, do you? You scan the menu, your eyes darting from one option to another, trying to make the best choice. Small steak, $15, not bad, you think. It's affordable and seems like a decent portion. Large steak, $20. Now we're talking. A bit more expensive, but you get a lot more steak for just $5 extra. But wait, what's this? A medium steak for $22? Hold on a minute. Why would anyone choose that? It doesn't make sense at first glance. It's smaller than the large and more expensive. You start to wonder if there's a mistake or if you're missing something. This, my friends, is the decoy effect in action. It's a clever psychological trick designed to influence your decision-making process. It's a sneaky psychological tactic that restaurants and businesses use to subtly steer your choices, and more often than not, it works. The medium steak isn't really meant to be chosen. You see, that seemingly pointless medium steak isn't there to tempt your taste buds. It's there to make the large steak look like an absolute steal. That's right, a steal. The medium option is a decoy. Suddenly, that extra $5 for the large steak seems like a no-brainer. You feel like you're getting a great deal. You're getting more steak for just a little bit more money. It feels like a win-win situation. You feel like you've outsmarted the system. But in reality, you've been played. The restaurant has guided you to the choice they wanted you to make all along, using the decoy effect to their advantage. The decoy effect, also known as the asymmetric dominance effect, is a classic example of a nudge. This psychological trick is often used in marketing and sales to influence consumer behavior subtly. It's all about presenting options in a way that gently nudges you towards a particular choice, often the more expensive one. By carefully structuring the choices available, businesses can guide you to spend more without you even realizing it. It's like a magician's sleight of hand, only instead of making rabbits disappear, they're making your money disappear. The magic lies in the subtle manipulation of your perception, making you feel like you're making the best choice. Here's how it works. You introduce a third option that is clearly inferior to one of the existing options, but similar in price or slightly more expensive. This decoy option is designed to make the target option look more appealing. This decoy option serves as a point of comparison, making the target option, in our case the large steak, seem more attractive by comparison. The decoy is not meant to be chosen. Its sole purpose is to steer you towards the more profitable option. The decoy doesn't have to be drastically different. Even a slight difference in price or features can be enough to tip the scales. This small nudge can significantly impact your decision-making process. It's all about creating a perception of value, a feeling that you're getting a better deal than you actually are. By understanding these tactics, you can become a more informed consumer and make choices that truly benefit you. Restaurants are masters of the decoy effect. They use it on their menus all the time, and not just with steak. You'll find it with wine, appetizers, desserts, you name it. The decoy effect is everywhere. They know that by carefully manipulating your perception of value, they can influence your choices and ultimately boost their profits. Think about it. How often have you opted for the medium soda when the large was only a few cents more? It's a classic example. Or chosen the premium package when the standard package suddenly seemed inadequate next to it? This is no accident. That's the decoy effect at work, my friend. It's a subtle nudge that makes you feel like you're making the best choice. But it's not just about making you spend more. It's about guiding your decision-making process. The decoy effect can also be used to steer you towards healthier choices, encourage charitable donations, or even make you feel better about your decisions. It can influence your voting decisions, making you lean towards a particular candidate or policy. It's a powerful tool that can be used for good or evil depending on who's wielding it. So next time you're faced with the choice, remember the hidden forces at play.
Thank you for watching the entire video. Your active participation would enable and inspire us to create more interesting videos in the future. We at the King's Exploits channel would love to get your honest feedback. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Further, pressing the bell icon will give you an instant notification whenever a new video is posted. Have a great day!